Yeah, good morning, guys. This is Kevin Molly. I'm gonna take you through computer security and cryptography course. Okay. What if I told you that every time you send a message or make an online payment or just browse the net, there's an invisible war happening behind the screen? Hackers are trying to break in. Your data is being targeted, and the only thing standing between your digital life and chaos is something most people don't understand. Welcome to computer security cryptography. Security and cryptography. The science of protecting information in a world that wants to steal it. In this course, we are going to break down security in a simple, practical, and powerful way. Not Hollywood hacking, not movie style nonsense. Real security, real concepts, and real understanding. We will start with computer security fundamentals. What computer security really means? Where weak passwords are like leaving your door open. The CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. How real-world attacks like phishing, ransomware, and malware work, and how to defend against them. Then we move into cryptography. How to defend against them. Then we move into cryptography, the secret language of security. How ancient civilization protected secret messages, the famous Caesar cipher. How modern encryption protects your messages today, symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hash function and digital signatures, and how secure communication actually works. Okay. Why this course matters to you? We live in a digital world. Your money is online. Your conversations are online. Your identity is online. Data is totally extremely available. Companies want it. Governments protect it. Criminals will try to steal it. Most people use technology every day, but they don't understand how it is protected. After this course, you will be able to understand how data is being protected and what can lead to data vulnerability. This course is meant for computer science students, developers who want to build secure systems, future cybersecurity professionals, anyone curious about how encryption really works. You do not need any prior security knowledge. You only need curiosity and the willingness to think like both a defender and an attacker. What actually you will gain after this course? You will understand how security systems are designed. You will understand how attacks happen. You will understand how encryption protects communication. You will see technology differently. You won't just memorize definition. You will understand the logic behind security. So, guys, in our first lecture, we'll begin with the foundation introduction to computer security. We'll answer what is computer security, what do we need it, why do we need it actually, what are the major threats, and what principles guide modern security system. So, let's begin with computer security. See you in the next lecture, whereby we are going to tackle the actual topic, computer security. Like, subscribe, push on the notification button, and share widely for this knowledge to reach many people. Thanks a lot.